Are you wondering why your face doesn't look as sharp, clear, or attractive as it should? The truth is, you're not ugly. What's really holding you back are 7 bad habits that are secretly destroying your face every single day without you even noticing. In this video, I'm going to break down the most common mistakes men make that lead to acne, dull skin, premature aging, facial asymmetry, and even a weaker masculine aura. From touching your face, chewing on one side, and not getting enough sunlight, to poor sleep, too much caffeine, high stress, and even blaming genetics. These are the silent killers of your looks. But don't worry, I'll also show you how to fix them fast. Habit 1. Touching your face. First up, touching your face. Every time you rest your chin on your hand or scratch your cheek, you're transferring dirt, oil, and bacteria straight onto your skin. That's a recipe for breakouts, clogged pores, and irritation. The fix? Keep your hands clean and train yourself to stop touching your face unnecessarily. Habit 2. Chewing on one side. Next, chewing on one side. Most guys don't even realize they do this, but over time it creates facial asymmetry. One side of your jaw gets stronger while the other gets weaker, which makes your face look uneven. The fix is simple. Be mindful and start chewing evenly on both sides. Habit 3. Not getting enough sunlight. Third, lack of sunlight. Spending all day indoors means you're missing out on vitamin D, which keeps your skin glowing, your energy high, and your immune system strong. Without it, your face looks dull and tired. So, aim for 10 to 20 minutes of natural sunlight every day. Just don't forget sunscreen if you're out longer. Habit 4. Bad sleep. Number 4. Bad sleep. If you're not getting 7 to 9 hours a night, your skin doesn't have time to repair itself. The result? Dark circles, eye bags, a dull complexion, and faster aging. So, fix your sleep routine. Go to bed at the same time, wake up at the same time, and prioritize real rest. Habit 5. Too much caffeine. Fifth, too much caffeine. Coffee, energy drinks, pre-workout, they might give you a short burst of energy, but over time, caffeine dehydrates your skin, messes up your sleep, and keeps you in a constant state of stress. Cut back. Hydrate more. You'll notice clearer skin and better energy throughout the day. Habit 6. High stress. Sixth, high stress. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol. That hormone triggers acne, speeds up aging, causes hair loss, and literally kills your glow. To fight it, manage your stress. Work out, meditate, or just take time to relax. Your skin and your whole face will thank you. Habit 7. Blaming genetics. And finally, blaming genetics. Too many guys write themselves off, saying, "Oh, I just got bad skin," or "I can't help it." But the truth is, most of your looks are in your control. When you start improving your sleep, your skin becomes clear and make glow and look too much better. So, apply these habits and see change in your skin, your body, and your mind. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the video. See you soon.